Hey everyone, Siavash here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how the AI booking for Cliniko is going to work. So, basically, to just give you a little bit of background, on the left-hand side in here, we have the GHL calendar. So, you can think of this as your conversational AI, your AI voice agent, or whatever. And the purpose of this is when you have those systems installed in your GHL, they only book on the GHL calendar, and there's no way for you to push it automatically to Clinical unless you manually grab those details and just go ahead and put it inside the Clinical appointments. But now, what we've done is we actually streamlined that. And what's going to happen is as soon as I book an appointment in the GHL on the left-hand side, I'm going to show you in a sec, it's going to create that appointment within Clinical pretty much in an instant. Now, a couple of things that happens in here is, first of all, it's going to look before creating the appointment, it's going to look if that patient exists. So even for the patients that already exist, we are still able to book the appointment. And if the patient doesn't exist, we create the patient first, and then we create the appointment. As you can see, this is the demo account. I've already have like bunch of appointments in here, but now we are going to create a new one. So on the left-hand side, let's say this is let's go to the 31st. Let's say I'm gonna do a 9 a.m. and I'm gonna create someone that is not this. So this is gonna be, let's come up with a name. I'm not good with names, so let's try something. Let's say Gabby uh, Apple. Let's put a phone number 123 345 34. There we go. And Gabby.apple@gmail.com. Let's say confirm. Let's just go ahead and click on schedule meeting. And while I'm doing that, let's just look at the right hand side. There we go. Showed up in here, as you can see. And now if I go to the patients, you will see that that client has been created. Now, if I use the same client, if I remember the phone number, so let's go to appointments again. Let's go to the 1st of March. So I'm just going to try to see if I can use the same person if I remember the phone number. So I'm just going to pause and go ahead and copy the phone number. All right, I did copy that. So let's refresh this page and let's try to see if I can book again 31st, but this time let's do 10 a.m. for the same person. So the email is this, the phone number I copied. Let's put it in here. And the name again is Gabby Apple. I confirm. Let's go ahead and click on a schedule meeting. And let's see if that gets booked too. There we go. As you can see, it got booked. Now, if we go to actually this person, patient, so if I go here, you can see that we have the Gabby Apple. I'm going to click on that. And you'll see the upcoming appointments. So it only shows you the first one in here, but if you on the left click on appointments, it will show you both of them. Now I'm going to show you how simple it is inside the GHL to set it up. So let's go ahead in GHL, just move this around. Let's go to automation. Let's go ahead and GHL calendar. Extremely simple. So what you do, you click on customer booking appointment in whatever calendar it is, and then all you need to do is send those details to our webhook. So obviously, because you in Clinical, you might have multiple locations, so you need to provide the business name. So this business name, if I go to the settings, there's a where you can actually see the information. So if you click on business information, it will show you the name of the business. So that's what you need to put in here. Now for staff members, again, if I go to settings and if I go to the users and practitioner, this is the staff member that we are using in here. So we don't need to use the title. We just need to use the name, first name and last name. So you just put it there with spaces, obviously. And then the appointment type. So again, if you go back and if you go to the appointment types, now this is a little bit tricky because you will have different categories, different appointment names, and different duration. So you need to provide all of those, otherwise you won't be able to figure out which appointment type you are booking for. So pretty simple. So you grab the name first. So this is a standard appointment. So we put it in here. Then the category osteopathy. So we put it in here, and then the duration. You just put the number. 30, 45, whatever, you just put the number in here. And that's it. That's all you need. As soon as you do this, the appointment gets booked. As you can see, I only have the Alex up in here. If I go to 31st that we're booking, it shows up in here. And if I click on every single one of this, it will show that this is then a standard appointment and this is the next appointment. So there you go. Now you got AI booking, AI voice agent, however you want to, uh, integration with Clinico. Let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching. Bye.